Welcome to section 6, video 1. In this video, we will review VMware solutions for disaster recovery and availability. Let's start with some of the solutions that are provided by VMware. Virtual machine migration with vMotion. This technology allows virtual machines to be migrated or moved between hosts without any downtime. Virtual machine disks with storage vMotion. This technology built on vMotion allows virtual machine disk files to be moved between data stores, again without incurring any downtime. NIC Teaming allows multiple network interface cards to be configured, allowing multiple paths and resiliency in the event of a failure of one of the network interface cards or a link. Storage multipathing, similar concept, providing multiple paths to storage from ESXi and VMware virtual machines. Virtual machine load balancing using DRS. DRS, or Distributed Resource Scheduler, is a preemptive technology. Objective is to balance workloads across ESXi hosts. Virtual machine availability with HA, or high availability. This technology provides resiliency to hardware failure. Backup and recovery, a traditional technique and fully supported by VMware. In addition, third-party vendors like Symantec and Commvault also use APIs provided by VMware to provide this service. Fault tolerance is another technology that provides zero downtime and instant failover. Finally, Site Recovery Manager from VMware provides VMware virtual machine protection across data centers. In the next few slides, let's look at these in detail. In this graphic, we show that VMware offers protection at every level, starting from the smallest level, which is at a component level, all the way to a data center. At the component level, NIC teaming and multipathing allows support and resiliency and recovery from any failure. In the server domain, VMware provides VMware fault tolerance, high availability, DRS, and vMotion. In the storage domain, we have storage vMotion, allowing virtual machine disk files to be moved between data stores. In the data domain, VMware data protection, including solutions from third-party vendors like Commvault or Symantec, offer backup and restore capability. At a site or a data center to data center level, Site Recovery Manager is available from VMware to provide support to enterprises. NIC Teaming provides load balancing and redundancy. As shown on the graphic, we have multiple network interface cards connecting to upstream physical switches. This allows the enterprise to continue working in the event of a failure in one of the components, which could be a network cable, could be the network interface card itself, or a port on the physical switch. In addition, having multiple network interface cards allows load balancing to work as well. In terms of vMotion, allows virtual machines to be moved seamlessly between the ESXi hosts without incurring any downtime. Similarly, storage vMotion, as shown on the graphic on the right, allows virtual machine disk files to be moved or migrated between data stores, again seamlessly and without incurring any downtime. These technologies are important to support production workloads where enterprises cannot afford any downtime at all. In terms of high availability, as shown in the graphic on the left, we have a failure in one of the three hosts. HA works, it's a reactive technology, and it restarts those virtual machines on the other remaining hosts in the cluster. This, however, incurs a 5 to 10 minute delay caused due to the operating system shutting down and then starting up on the new ESXi host. In comparison, fault tolerance provides instantaneous failover. However, some of the limitations include the maximum capability of a VM in a fault-tolerant domain to be only 4 virtual CPUs. Again, fault tolerance supports failure against hardware going down or even a virtual machine not functioning. In terms of protecting a data center, Site Recovery Manager allows large numbers of virtual machines to be supported across data centers. This is a large and complex solution from VMware. However, once implemented, can protect the whole data center on one side and be able to recover all the workloads on the other data center. To summarize, we reviewed VMware solutions for disaster recovery and availability. We reviewed distributed resource scheduler and high availability, fault tolerance, and site recovery manager solutions. In the next video, video 2, we will review DRS or distributed resource scheduler in detail. Thank you for watching.